And so we justice, and where Thelma and others are expected to be taken to the Monrovia Central Prison. And so yes, things are a little bit tensional. Security apparatus are all here, and in such time,
go and share the car.
Share the video. Thelma and others are expected to be taken to the Monrovia Central Prison, and so the court, we're in a compound of the Temple of Justice, and so you see that this is Kosi. This is Kosi. So share the video. So those of you, very soon
also have the former Chief of Protocol, the President George Manawia, or the foreign Chief of Protocol, Madam Fina Bono. She's also on that list of those expected to be arrested by this court, along with several others that we will update you with that news in subsequent time. But as it stands, Sawyer and also Mr. Youboty, we are here, and the car is already.
And so this connection will soon be brought here, and it will be taken any minute from now. You will see that those people will be taken to the Monrovia City Prison. And so the preparation is ongoing. All right. Okay, so
okay, yes, another.
Okay, then.
So this number 2, the Senate, is also.
Yeah, hold on. Bring it.
Okay, so finally,
we have Madam Sawyer. She's being escorted along with the lawyer. You can see her look. I don't know what she's telling her lawyer, but she looks worried. Also, her bag is packed. I can see pressing from her house. Is holding her bag. So. Is the former Cabinet Minister for Administrations at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Madam Thelma Sawyer, who is on trial here at the same court for theft and alleged theft. You can recall we reported in recent time where the prosecution.
So Thelma has finally been for a year. And so she gonna enter. She's been escorted by her lawyer. So here we are. So she has been
yes, sir. De la culala. Acá vi. Culala.
And so we are to follow. Wait, okay. First Judicial Prison. They have been taken.
We hope to get up. Whatever it may be.
Yeah, we got it again. And so we will follow, right?
Yeah.
My colleague Melvin has been following the process, and I've been going with you in order to get everything to see the conclusion of this. Yeah. 1 minute. Then he come. Yes, sir. You have to come 1 minute. We send 1 minute. Just by agree he's coming, so we'll follow.
Let's go.
Yeah. Like his phone. I have a phone, so I'll come in. They got wrong. So Sam. We're going to Central Prison. Yeah. You joining us? Yeah. Let's go.
Former government officials are taken.
Yeah. Okay.
To sheriffs and on the arrest.
Sam, you will have to come on inside. So we now following the process straight to the Monrovia Central Prison.
We were arrested this morning.
So share the video. We want to see the happenings, especially when it comes to those people who have been allegedly involved with the criminal allegation. They have been sent to the Monrovia Central Prison in order to await trial. So you witness the event there at the compound of the Department of Justice. So we are on our way to the Monrovia Central Prison to see how that will happen, whether truly these people gonna be, placed in jail in order to await trial. And so there we are on our way. And so all you can do is to share the video. Just share the video. You saw the happenings. Those accused have already been placed. They have already been placed in vehicles, and they have gone ahead of us. And so we have to get on a commercial, vehicle just to see that everything is being concluded. So just bear with us. All you have to do is to share the videos, and then before in the next 5 to 6 minutes we will find ourselves at a compound. In the next 5 minutes I can assure you we will actually be there because we're making all efforts. So you can see the conclusion of this entire process today. Okay, so there you have it. Finally, we're gonna be at the Monrovia Central Prison because we are finally catching on to the main road that taking us there. And so taking us there this morning. Okay, I can assure you. All right, share the video. We will soon reach at the Monrovia Central Prison, where those accused have been carried in order to still wait for trial. And so part of our duties is to make sure that you see the end of every event inside Liberia. So we following exactly those people who have already been carried. But we want to know, we want to show you the scene where these people will actually be taken into normally where Liberians we will call a sawbish. And so if these people will be placed there today, and whether there will be another conversation coming from there, that is the reason we are following the process. That is why we want you. Okay, so we already around the building, and so we are making efforts. That is why we have already asked the guy who carried us to be, faster, so that we can see all of the scene, and for the fact that we will see, the activity. It means that you yourself will be in front of it, and he's doing everything possible so that we too can see and follow the happenings, and that will be reflected on your screen, talking about your phone, because you're following the events. This is inside Liberia. My name is Simano Mopolu, and of course I'm here with Sam Kotu, two of us, and making sure that you see all of the happenings. Okay, we almost here. Yes. It was very much expeditious. That is very fast, so that we can right. So you have it. Okay? This is the compound, and then we are here already. We've seen scores of people already at the entrance of the Monrovia Central Prison. There you have it. So I'm going to take it up the guy quickly. There you have it. And so we have already reached.
Drove in already.
Right.
Yeah, it's like the vehicle drove in already.
And so we've seen other people.
That's family members who are going to see.
Right. Other family members, as you may be informed, they say welcome to the Monrovia Central Prison. And so we're seeing that
we have two other persons that we cannot recognize. We do not know that we will try to get that.
And so we have come. Whether the vehicle that brought them have already been drove in, we don't know. And we have come, we've seen other people in queue, and vehicles are still coming. And so saying this is exactly what happened here.
Yeah,
you've been from the process.
Yeah, we are here at the Monrovia Central Prison, and
right.
And Madam Sawyer and two other persons
right.
were brought here at the Monrovia Central Prison.
Right.
If they will be built out, we don't know yet.
Right.
Until we see the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Refreshing.
Okay,
until we see the rest of the day.
Right.
So, yeah.
And so what happened is that when, based on your case, send for you through, a bond process, which is normally called bail, you can return home, Sam?
Yeah, definitely.
And you, in subsequent time, you come back. If it is a available case,
Yeah.
So you see the correction officers are coming outside And exactly, you've seen exactly.
Yeah, they have already been.
I think they have been processed.
Yeah, they have been processed already.
Yeah.
So we look forward to the rest of the hours ahead to see what will happen.
Right.
Probably it is possible that they might be built.
Yeah, because you are other people.
Yeah, we still have time.
Yes.
From 9 to 4, we still have time. Because right after 4, the court can close.
Right.
Yeah.
So if 4 o'clock passes, you don't see them or nothing about bill, it means that they're gonna actually sleep there again. They will spend the night.
And mind you, Mopodu, former Minister Sawyer, she was here. You remember back then when they were all arrested alongside former Minister Kimian?
Right.
They were brought here as well, but they spent less than 2 hours here.
Right.
And they were released.
And
so this is her second time coming here.
So someone would say it's not too strange to her because she been here. The police have just arrived too.
Yeah, police have just arrived. I think to protect this place. Because these are high-profile people.
Of course, so the police will do everything possible. Okay, the police has arrived. Share the video. Sam, you have to take that, right? The take that.
Okay, so they're passing already.
Okay.
So the escort car cannot enter this
right. Okay. So you see that the police officer have already arrived. The intent of this is that these people are high-profile people, and okay, this is in the compound. This is the compound. The police officer. And the media can enter too? No. Okay. We have been post up to not to enter, and you see the. But Matthew, we just wanted to know whether we could enter too.
Yeah. No, it's important. It's important that we ask the necessary questions. There's something of public concern. We have people, wanting to know
they
whether
have
or not
relative.
these people were placed behind bars.
Right.
I can simply say yes. The 4 vehicles that brought them, the 4 vehicles actually entered the fence and see.
But this is in the fence.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. So they just the parameter.
Right.
And then you have the main fence where everything.
So in other words, when you enter the compound, the real jail or maybe the cell is in there, not just here you see.
No.
You're right.
No. So this is why I call it the Central Prison.
The Central Prison.
So
right.
The vehicle number 1 is coming out.
Yeah.
This one brought another defendant.
Defendant, right?
Yes. This brought another defendant. I'm yet to see why the plates are covered.
The faces,
the
plates are not there. It's covered. Okay. The plates are been covered. The plate that brought these people. This one is covered. It's not being identified. We don't know the reason. And it's also with this one as well. Melvin, what I'm asking Sam, I'm asking all of you people are media practitioners, why do you think the plate of this vehicle have been, covered? Right.
Well,
let Melvin come in.
The owners should be the one telling us more because myself are concerned because this is the second vehicle that is covered. The plate is covered.
Right.
So I don't know whether it's somebody's private vehicle.
Is it a normal routine you constantly report at the judicial?
No. This is not normal.
Okay.
So probably the owner don't want the vehicle to be
stigmatized.
Yes, before somehow. We cannot speak for them 100%, but the intent is kind of
it's not ambiguous, it's not clear.
So folks, welcome. Thanks so kind for joining us, and we laugh here.
And let me get to my man Sam. You were making a statement.
I said this is the second time former Minister Thelma Sawyer was brought here. This is her second time. When she was brought here alongside former Minister Kimiya and others, and they were built out after a few hours. And this is her second time, as I said earlier. So we look forward to seeing the hours ahead. Up to 4 because every 4 o'clock.
The court closes.
And one of the things too that we should take into consideration, today is the beginning of the weekend.
Yes.
So it is possible that they might not even be built.
Right.
Yeah, because in our normal saying, someone can say, I will change your sleeping place.
A sleeping place.
And I will jail you on Friday and you come on Monday.
In other words, you will be compulsory. But saying these are
high profile people, so we look forward.
We don't know.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, definitely. So we look forward to see the outcome of what will happen in the near hours.
As for the fact that we hear the public too, sometimes those of you who have people there, it's good that you know visiting hour.
Yeah, definitely.
This is the normal visiting hour. I know saying you just read it out.
Yeah, we have visiting days. We have Monday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. I guess that's the reason others are here.
Okay.
And we have Wednesdays, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And today is Friday. We have 10 a.m., which is now, to 2 p.m. So I think you
that is the
can
reason.
show the camera here. Others are here to visit their relatives here as well.
Okay.
And those of the people that were just taken in,
right.
we saw people, family, relatives that came with them. So we are here, as I said, to see the process, how it will play out. And
so all our viewers can do is to share the video.
Share the video, invite others.
Right. Yeah. As a means of, having the rest of the people informed about the happenings.
Yeah, and Mopulu,
right.
We were at the court earlier and...
The police are coming outside?
Yeah, we were at the court earlier and there's also an arrest warrant out there for former chief of protocol to the executive mansion. That's Finabono. Yeah, there's an arrest warrant out there for her. I think the sheriffs went out this morning. I'm told that she's not in country.
Okay, she's not in country.
Yeah, she's not here.
The police as going back.
They just want to make sure that the folks that they brought, they all settle in. I think that's the main reason they were brought here.
Okay.
And also provide protection, because I think during the time of the former speaker, Kofa and others, that when they were brought here, there were police station here 24/6.
Yes.
Yeah, up to that time. They were
so we should expect the presence of the police as well, right? Right. Yeah. So you were talking about the former, chief of protocol,
the executive mansion.
Arrest warrant was sent to her this morning.
Out there as well. So as you may be aware, the gracious right.
Right. Okay. The gracious right issue.
They took the government of Liberia to court.
Right.
Yeah. Through the asset recovery team.
Right.
And I think you know the outcome of
that
case.
Of course.
The government won our case.
Right.
And the court gave the government the go ahead, right, to do all they can to retrieve government assets.
Okay.
So I think this is why we this is the first action since the court case.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
we look
folks,
forward.
we stay here and we await. We're gonna be here for a while.
Yeah.
Definitely. And to see the outcome of this thing, whether, like Sam was saying, whether these people gonna be built or whether they're gonna stay here. Today having to be Friday.
Yeah.
So Saturday, Sunday before government resume, their normal activities. So we have come to make sure that and bring you all of the happenings linking to the allegation with these people talking about corruption and all of that.
Definitely.
But the good thing, one thing I wanted to emphasize is that Sam, when you have been brought here from the court and you have been placed here, it does not justify that you are already been guilty and therefore you have been placed into jail. No.
When you are brought here from the court,
right,
we call it in under the judiciary law, we call it the pre-trial sentence. They bring you here, like for example, those that are being accused of rape, high-profile cases like the rape case, like the murder case, like the armed robbery case. You are not guilty.
You are not guilty.
No one is guilty under the law until proven before competent court
or jurisdiction. Right.
When you are being proven now before the court, when you have been sent here for your term, you serve your term either here or anywhere the court will give. So they are not yet guilty.
So the reason for which maybe somebody will just be taken directly from the court and be brought here is that maybe that person did not find someone to stand for them.
Definitely.
One, or it is non-bailable case. And the word bailable means, someone stand for you. But if no one can stand for you.
Insurance company will come and say, I will pay for this person, the person come out.
Right.
Even at the local police station or police depot, when, for example, I'm taken there as an individual, my mom or someone can go there and stand for me.
Stand for you.
Say, oh, I will bring him back when you need him.
Right.
Yeah, so this is the same process here.
Right.
Yeah.
So in this case now, I think this is a billable case.
I'm sure this is a billable case.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just require the money or maybe the kinds of bond that should be given for these people to go and to get prepared for the case.
So probably if they will be built out,
right?
If they will be built out, the court then now will give the amount that they should pay in bill.
Right.
But now they can't give it because probably the lawyers were unable to bill them out while they were at the court. So we get 3 hours from now to court.
Right.
So as I said, we can wait and see what
become the outcome is the statement that's saying, you know, just give. And I so grateful too that you were able to follow all of the happenings from the compounds of the Chamber of Justice, and till we are here, the Bureau of Correction, and Rehabilitation, and better still, we just call it the Monrovia Central Prison. In Liberia, we call it Saw Beach, and this high-profile personality have been brought here, to await trial, and whether they will spend the night here is not clear, and so we just thought it was to bring Q happenings. And so I think we are not many here. We just have 2 media institutions here inside Liberia. Okay, these people are not going to visit their
relatives.
Yeah.
You see how they can be rotting. My man, comrade, this is just something like you carry your child on a mission.
Right.
You are not entitled to see your child up to a certain time.
And then
this is just the same thing.
Right.
You know me, I grew up on the mission before.
Okay, you grew on the mission.
So one of the strong rules that needs to be on the mission is nobody come out without permission.
Okay, why you in the compound?
This is the same thing.
Okay.
You can't come out of the prison without permission from the court. Yeah, so this is just exactly the same thing.
Right.
So this is Liberia for you, my brother.
Right. And of course, this is Liberia, and the distinction, the distinction is just like, this is a prison. It is meant for correction. It is meant for detention, and for the school, it is meant for academic and educational purpose, right? But he's saying that the system seems to be the same, where you have people going by line to see their people, and people have speculated that I have been there before, that the prison is overcrowded. That the compound is overcrowded with prisoners, and men and advocacy group have always said that there's a need for expansion of the Monrovia Central Prison, or better still, there should be relocation, because the jail or the prison was actually intended for less people, at which time Monrovia didn't have the kinds of population that it has now, and so the prison compound was actually built to contain just a few people. But then as it stands now, you have a lot of people occupying the building. We're talking about overcrowdedness of the Monrovia Central Prison. So we stay here. This is what we're bringing to you. Realities.
And that is what we are called Inside Liberia.
Of course.
We go for the news.
We don't just bring you the surface, but for all we like to bring you the concrete details of the information. Right? So this morning we've been posted at the Temple of Justice.
Since this morning.
Right. And so keep following and keep sharing. We are here, and for the fact that you in the comfort of your home, and you're following the activity, you in your office, and you're still seeing what is happening here at the Temple of Justice. That is what I call to do, to give you or to bring you exactly the happenings of your country right on the screen of your phone, right?
Yeah, so keep following. This is Inside Liberia. We are here bringing you live happenings, you know, as it unfolds here from the capital.
Right.
We are here, and definitely, trust me, we will bring you everything as it unfolds. As my colleague said, we are here waiting to see, because you know, this is a case, a court case.
Right.
Yeah, this is a court case. No one will just get out and just bring you to court without having something on you. So we look forward to see if the government of Liberia has, you know, tangible evidence on those that are being accused.
Right.
And one thing I always tell people, don't allow your emotions control you at the level of the court.
Right.
The court cannot pick and choose.
Right.
The court is there for everyone.
Okay.
Then one thing, Moporu, the court does not respect status.
Of course.
The court don't have no respect for status.
Of course.
Be it you be minister, you be a lawyer. We all were here. We saw the court jail a former Chief Justice, Gloria Musu Scott. She was jailed.
It does not matter personality.
The court don't go for personality. They go for who is attached to that case. Yeah. So keep following.
So like one of the points that you actually raise is essential is that when it comes to you know court issue, judicial issue, it shouldn't be discussed with emotion or perception, right? Because the court will be very objective. It should be objective, right? That is the role of the court, to be objective. Talking about the judicial system, the role of the judicial branch is to make sure that every citizen of this country obtain, you know, justice. Like you say, it doesn't matter who you are. The law does not know personality. It doesn't know color, and it doesn't know what kinds of bank account you have. What matters is who is right and who is wrong. And there now you talk about justice. And when you have a better justice system in a country,
you have nothing to worry about.
Yeah, you go to bed sleeping, and investors and other business partners will be secure to come and invest in a country. So when people will have profile have been brought to court, you know that in order to substantiate claim, that gives security to everybody to feel free living in their own country. Same.
Definitely. So we look forward, and in the coming days, or maybe in the Congo, the government, you know, or those who they went out there to search for, it's possible they get them today.
Right.
Or
others. Okay, yeah, you can get that clarity. Yeah. Others were not also. Were not also found. Okay.
We heard about others.
Right.
You know, we cannot call their names now.
Right.
Due to publication claims. So we will just.
I know that the public are informed too.
Definitely.
The public is informed about.
This information been out. Been out. So probably the folks are already aware. Right. Yeah, but our major concern are those that were taken.
The prominent that were brought here.
To the cell. So we look forward to see what becomes of the case. We look forward,
Okay, so this is Inside Liberia, and as we've been here, we just been joined by other media, you know, institution. We were on time, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
To have
this morning.
7:30
a.m.
To bring you the happenings, but the process will continue. So, Sam. Okay. What's that? We should go. In it.
They coming now? They coming back? Okay. Okay.
So we with the vehicles
That brought them.
that brought them.
That is why we here. The vehicle that brought these people.
So the vehicle that brought them.
The
So we see the sheriffs are leaving.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. The vehicle is also is being the lesson is being covered again. The lesson plate is being covered again. Same. Thelma was brought in this vehicle.
Back and front.
So you covered.
I don't know why.
This is
all covered.
they are all covered. So I think the two vehicles have been brought out, right? The first
about 3 vehicles.
one, right?
That one in the rear. Yeah, the maroon.
The maroon,
Maroon vehicle is covered.
yeah, the maroon is covered.
And the one that is different is also covered.
So these are the three vehicles, right?
3 vehicles are brought.
Okay, the three vehicles that brought, the alleged, and they all have been brought out, covered simply, and they are living, the premises of. So Sam, we're gonna stop it right there, and at least the vehicle have come out.
When we see the outcome, as
Right.
I said, we low power.
Right.
For the coming hours.
Right.
We will mute. So we might be.
We might be back. Thank you so much for the time.
Okay, my brother.